what I would tell my best friend about AI and her brain. Hi, if you were seeing me for the first time, I share how I use AI in my personal and professional life as a small business owner, professor, researcher, educator, storyteller, and a regular human in a very unpretentious way, because I hate when people talk about tech and AI and try to educate people with very pretentious stuff. I don't want that. So what I would tell my best friend if she was struggling with AI, and if she said to me, I don't want AI to replace my brain, I like my brain, thank you very much. No, I would say no. Baby girl, AI won't replace your brain. But what if AI decreases this heavy cognitive load that your brain carries? What if it lightens your thinking load? Or what if it meets you at your own brilliance, enhances your thinking, deepens your thinking, expands your thinking? What if it does all of those things? What if AI gives you possibilities that you didn't think of before, and it decreases your stress and your anxiety and your overwhelm because it's lightening your load? Then does it make sense for you to use AI? And listen, I'm not saying you all should use AI or everybody should use AI. I'm only talking about how to meet people who might be anxious about it. Everyone's mileage varies, so if you don't want to use it, don't use it. I'm not forcing you. But what if we can reframe this thinking that says, I don't want AI to replace my brain? What if we reframe that? Because no one has asked AI to replace your brain. We're saying that AI can be a critical thought partner if you set it up that way, a load carrier, an expansive terrain builder where you can use your discernment and pick the things that are helpful to you. It doesn't have to replace your brain, and it doesn't replace your brain unless you want to use it like that, and it wouldn't be a good thing to do that. I wouldn't recommend it. But it becomes a partner of your thoughts, so you don't have to ask every human for feedback. You have someone who never has any exhaustion and can meet you exactly when and where you are with brilliance and attunement to your thinking. And if you're super scared, or if you think that you're too late to the AI game, or feel like people teaching about AI are being pretentious and very, tech forward, and you're not grasping all of it and it's intimidating, I will just say, just start wherever you're at. And then if you want my help, just ask and say, I need help understanding XYZ in the comments, and I'll make videos to help you wherever you want to start. I want to meet you exactly where you're at. So please tell me in the comments what type of AI education would be helpful for you. And I will make those videos, and I will make it unpretentious and easy to understand. I'm actually a decent educator. I'm pretty good at taking very complex information and unpacking them into digestible ways that you can then use it very practically in your own work. So I love serving. I love serving, and I love serving through teaching. So please give me an opportunity to serve you and to serve your anxiety and learning process about AI, and then I can be in community with you, and we can learn together. Some things you'll probably ask me to do, maybe I don't know, and I'll go and learn and come and teach it back to you. So let's chat, and I'm excited to go on a journey with you if you want to journey with me. Thank you.